Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So 2022 is already here. We are almost at the end of December and that's why I chose my planner finally. So last time जो मैंने planner लिया था that was this Mycara planner and ये मैंने first time कोई planner खरीदा था. उससे पहले I used to track my habits in the habit tracker जो मैं खुद बनाती थी और मे बी अगर मैं Pinterest से कोई प्रिंट आउट निकालती थी उसमें. So this was the planner and I got some goodies with it also, and this time I thought that I will have a different planner for 2022. तो मैंने बहुत सारे planners देखने के बाद मतलब मेरे को काफ़ी ज़्यादा planners पसंद आए थे. मेरे को the June shop का planner भी बहुत पसंद आया था and also the old giraffe one was really cute. So the last time I had a hardbound planner and this time I thought of having a spiral bound planner. I don't know, I just like it more and I find it more attractive. So this time I went for Mridul Sharma's planner and मैंने ये planner को अभी तक unbox नहीं किया है because I was waiting to make this video. Before I open this package, let me tell you कि ये planner मुझे बहुत ही fast delivery में मिला है. मतलब कि last time जो है मैंने अपने planner के लिए 10 to 15 days wait किया था, but Simba Lifestyle में जब मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया उसके आई थिंक विद इन 3 or 4 days मुझे प्लानर मेरे ऑफिस में रिसीव हो चुका था. इट केम इन अ पैकेज लाइक दिस. Oh my god, I am in love with the planner. Oh my god, मतलब can you see this? मैंने अभी तक ओपन नहीं किया and I am in love with this. मतलब this made my day. So we will check the planner and इसके अंदर क्या क्या है वो एक बार देखेंगे. But first see कि उन्होंने इसके साथ साथ में क्या और एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें दी हुई हैं. Okay, so first of all इनके वेबसाइट से मैंने जब ये ऑर्डर किया था this planner was for 899. इनके पास दो ऑप्शंस है. Either you buy a planner plus उनके 3 Simba Lifestyle के जो नोटबुक्स होते हैं वो, तो वो that was for 1350. बट मैंने सिर्फ 2022 प्लानर ऑर्डर किया है विच इज़ फॉर 999. बट एज ऑफ नाउ जब मैं आज देख रही हूँ तब द प्राइस ऑफ द प्लानर इज 899 इफ यू वांट टू बाय. इसके साथ में दे गेव 6 स्टिकर शीट्स, अ पॉकेट नोटबुक, 2 पोस्ट-इट्स एंड 1 बुक मार्क. सबसे पहले देयर इज दिस थैंक यू कार्ड. देन वी हैव अ क्यूट नोटबुक. It's a small notebook to write your notes. It's like a everyday thing. If you are someone जो छोटा बैग कैरी करते हैं, उतना बड़ा प्लानर नहीं कैरी करते हैं, so this is what you can carry in your bag. And if you have any idea रास्ते में तो आप फटाक से इसको इसमें लिख सकते हैं. And they also gave 2 post-its. I was thinking कि पता नहीं मेरे जो स्टिकर शीट्स हैं मिस ना हो गए, ऊपर वो प्लानर के अंदर पड़े हैं. So they have these 6 sheets. So what I'll do is I'll change the angle ताकि आराम से मैं आपको दिखा सकूं कि इस प्लानर के अंदर क्या क्या है. So this is the planner. It has a pretty pink picture on it. This is of golden spiral. ये जो golden color है ना बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है. And I love the detailing here. इसके साथ में there is a little pocket when you open it. And यहाँ पे है एक bookmark. And here is the 2022 planner. Happiness blooms from within. Here you can write your name. Then design credits. Also she told in the video that the stickers are hand drawn and painted, so she has given the credits here. Then there is a little note from Mridul and Aditya. The paper quality is really good. There are thick pages. Then this page has the vision board. काफी टाइम पे people don't want vision boards को ऐसे दिखाना सबको. So this is how you can do it. ये जो planner है ये obviously आपके पास ही रहता है and you can paste pictures of your vision, things that you buy, things that you want to become. They have given 2 pages for this which are beautifully painted. Then here are 2022 goals. इसमें what she has done is उन्होंने already उसको break कर दिया है. So this has health goals, relationship goals, your career goals, your personal goals, finance goals, spiritual goals. Then here is the goal setting. So you can write your 5-year goal, your 1-year goal and your monthly goal as well. Now the most interesting thing is this not to-do list. Generally what we see in the planners is that they give a to-do list, but यहाँ पे है not to-do list. So stuff that distracts me and wastes my time, stuff I feel obligated to do but it doesn't actually need to be done, and stuff that drains my energy. So this page is really new. ऐसा generally किसी planner में देखने को नहीं मिलता है. Then there are 2 pages of current me and then future me. Then this year I will. So this is a reminder for self in which they have given little things like start, quit, learn, try, visit, avoid, improve or achieve. And here is the wish list, things that I need and things I want. So this planner looks like a really intellectual one. Then there is this period tracker. She has given a monthly tracker for the period itself. तो काफी टाइम क्या होता है that we tend to forget it and हमें नहीं याद रहता है, and we forget the dates of our period, so we can track it here as well. Then these are the pages. These are basically the dates. This looks like a habit tracker, but I'm sure habit tracker अलग से इन्होंने दिया हुआ है. This is just a beautiful calendar and you can write anything important in it. This is the continuation of the calendar. Then यहाँ से planner start हो रहा है January. So what she has done is कि यहाँ पे उन्होंने बहुत सुंदर सुंदर pictures दी हुई हैं. So this is January. This is a kind of a note section. Then here are the monthly goals. Then here is your calendar for the month, and there's a little note section here. So first she has given a monthly calendar and उसके बाद she has given date wise space for you. So she has given enough space for every day, like there's a lot of space to write in. So every day के लिए इतना space is I think काफी ज़्यादा. Then there is expense tracker for the month and the monthly budget. This is the habit tracker. इसमें जो corners है वो उन्होंने colorful दे दिए हैं, but जो इसमें बाकी का कुछ लिखा हुआ है that is all black and white, and that's why here I can use my color pens because I love to use them. तो वो मैं यहाँ पे use कर सकती हूँ. Then there's a monthly check-in. So this is a monthly reflection of what you have done in that particular month. Then here's a to-buy list. I can see a lot of space. There is brain dump. Then this is how February looks. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Month के साथ साथ में they have given a positive affirmation as well in every month. November and this is December. This is like a Christmassy vibe. Okay. So this is the end of the December, and then यहाँ पे है एक photo dump of the year 2022 throwback. Then there is 2022 favorites, your favorite movie, your book, a favorite restaurant or dishes, favorite places that you visited the year or your songs. Then 2022 review. Then there is this travel planner, packing list. So she has dedicated a lot of pages to this as well. Travel planner के लिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages she has given. 6 pages. Here are your worry jars. Place all your worries in the jar and leave them here while you spend the rest of the day thinking about happy things. So if you are feeling stressed about anything, you can put your worries here in this jar. And this is a black and white, so you can make it colorful as well. some more worry jars. तो I think ये हमारी सारी worries रखने वाला है. Then there is this note section. Okay. And so these are some blank pages and these are some lined pages. And here is another pocket for your letters. So this was the whole planner. It's a little bit heavy. My last year planner was also pretty pink. This year is also pretty pink. I like both the planners. ये obviously new है तो मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. So this was the planner and we have got some sticker sheets with it. These are some big stickers. ये मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. This perfume, good vibes. This is a cute sticker. Mobile phone. Okay, these are some छोटू stickers. ये ज़्यादा easily आप paste कर सकते हो. And these are some word stickers, something important or to do, gratitude, etc. So this was the whole planner. So this is how the planner looked like. मैंने obviously देख के ही लिया है. जो जो चीज़ें मैं चाहती हूँ अपने planner के अंदर, मैंने वही देख के planner choose किया. This is everything that I wanted. And also those stickers are a plus. So that was my 2022 planner. And if you want this Mridul Sharma's planner, तो मैं उसे अपने वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक कर दूंगी. So if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. And I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye.